In today's kitchen landscape, versatile and reliable cookware is essential for preparing meals that delight and nourish. This Cook Standard 12-inch 30cm stainless steel everyday chef's stir-fry pan is one such tool that delivers unmatched performance, durability, and style. Whether you're a casual cook or a culinary enthusiast, this pan offers features that elevate your cooking experience. Designed with premium 1810 stainless steel and equipped with an aluminum disc for even heating, this pan ensures consistent results across a variety of cooking methods. Its tempered glass lid, ergonomic riveted handles, and compatibility with multiple stovetops make it a must-have for any kitchen. If you're on the hunt for the perfect pan to handle your daily cooking needs, this review will cover everything you need to know. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Premium materials for long-lasting performance. The Cook Standard Wok Pan is constructed from mirror-polished 1810 stainless steel, renowned for its resistance to corrosion and wear. The aluminum disc in the base promotes quick, even heat distribution. Mirror-polished finish adds elegance and prevents rust or wear. Aluminum disc core eliminates hot spots, ensuring consistent cooking results. Number 2. Ergonomic and safe design. Comfort and safety are prioritized with riveted handles that stay cool and are easy to grip. Double riveted handles offer stability and ease of use. Stay Cool technology prevents burns or discomfort while handling. Number 3. Versatile cooking capabilities. This pan isn't just for stir-frying, it's a multi-use tool suitable for sautéing, frying, and even baking. Wide, deep design accommodates large meals, ideal for family cooking. Oven safe, withstands temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Tempered glass lid for easy monitoring. The included tempered glass lid comes with a steam vent, allowing you to check your food without lifting the lid. Steam vent prevents excessive condensation while cooking. Stainless steel rim adds durability and a snug fit. Number 5. Compatibility with multiple stovetops. From gas to electric and ceramic, this pan adapts to your cooking setup seamlessly. Induction-ready, suitable for induction stoves, unlike many other pans. Halogen and glass stovetop compatible, adds versatility to your kitchen. Number 6. Effortless maintenance. Dishwasher safe for convenience, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its polished finish. Low maintenance, simplifies post-cooking cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface, stays pristine even after repeated use. Why choose the Cook Standard 12-inch wok pan? 1. Reliable performance. Even heating and premium materials make it a dependable choice. 2. Versatility. Handles everything from stir-frying to baking. 3. Ease of use. Ergonomic design and tempered glass lid simplify cooking. 4. Elegant aesthetic. Enhances the look of your kitchen. 5. Eco-friendly. Long-lasting construction reduces the need for replacements. This wok pan is ideal for preparing stir-fry dishes with ease, sautéing vegetables or searing meats for perfect texture, cooking meals for large families or gatherings, transitioning recipes from stovetop to oven without changing cookware. Conclusion. This Cook Standard 12-inch stainless steel stir-fry pan with glass lid is the perfect combination of style, functionality, and durability. Its premium materials and thoughtful design make it an indispensable tool for everyday chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Whether you're whipping up a quick stir-fry or preparing a gourmet meal, this pan is a reliable partner in the kitchen. If you're searching for a versatile, high-quality pan that delivers consistent results, look no further. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Cook Standard stainless steel wok pan today. With this addition to your kitchen, every meal becomes an opportunity to cook with confidence and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.